Hello, my name is Carolyn Zeitler. I'm this year's featured artist. I do pine needle basketry. It's basically a basketry method using pine needles. I use the pine needles from the native California coulter pines and a material called raffia to bind them together. And it's a coiled method of basketry in which the pine needles get stitched together and create a basket. What makes my basketry a little bit different than traditional pine needle basketry of the southeastern United States is that I use the heads of the needles. In most traditional pine needle basketry, you do this. The heads are taken off and they're used one leaf, pine needle leaf at a time. So I sort them so that when I'm working on a basket, it starts with the smallest head, and then as I get larger, then larger heads. This is the piece that I chose to make for Art in the Gardens, and I wanted it to represent a sense of passing through. When we walk through the gardens, we're starting at the beginning of our journey, and then we're walking to the end, to the ocean. I wanted to incorporate that idea of passing through different zones, different ecological zones, different seasons, walking through the gardens, to get from one point to the other. And I felt that the idea of passing through something would be reflective of one's experience walking in the gardens.